Hey guys, I'm Tiger and look what I have. It's a tractor. The tractor is used for farming. I'll tell you one hard fact. The tractors were called by an engine. And these are giant wheels which make them super strong. And these are the stairs where the driver goes in. Look, there's the mirror. Look, there's the light. These keep the tractor safe. And this is the door. This is where the tractor, the main goes in. And do you know, on a tractor you can put a wagon, trailer. This tractor has 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 small wheels on the front and 2 big wheels on the back. Vroom, vroom. Guys, do you see there? Only one person can sit in there. And there's the steering wheel. My tractor is blue. Also very cool. And do you know, tractors are very strong. They go very, very slow. And do you know my tractor makes sounds? Watch. Yay! These are the headlights. These are the tail lights. This tractor has a very, very strong engine. So it makes very loud sound like this. You know who invented the tractor? Benjamin and Bridget invented the tractor. I love my toy tractor. I hope you like my short on tractor. Keep watching my videos, Tiger and Major. Whoosh! Grow with Tiger and Major.